Hey beautiful, thank you for clicking my video. The wig that I have today is from UNiceHair. This is the box that the wig comes in. On the back of the box, it comes with helpful tips on how to care for your wig. All the details to the wig that I have and the website link will be in the description box. My wig came in that clear plastic baggie. They also sent some goodies. I got a cream color stocking cap, 6 hair clips, eyelashes, and a headscarf. This is what inside of the wig looked like. It's a V-part wig with 5 clips on the top by the V-cut for the leave out. There are 2 combs on the sides and another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps, and the cap material is stretchable. The length of this wig is 18 inches, hair density 150%. The texture feels soft and silky. The curl pattern is called Jerry Curl. I would like to co-wash the wig, so I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner. First, I wet the wig, and then I'm going to take some pumps of the conditioner and lather the wig in it. You can go in and shampoo the wig if you want, but I'm just doing a co-wash. After I got enough product on the hair, I'm going to use this wide tooth comb and comb out the curls. I'm starting from the ends and working my way up to the crown area. I left the conditioner on for about 10 minutes. Now I'm just washing all of the product out. Now I'm going to use this leave-in product called Mazzani 25 Miracle Milk. I just spray this all over the hair, then detangle it, even though the wig isn't tangled at all. And I'm going to leave the wig to air dry. First, I want to show you guys how much shedding I got in the comb, which is very little shedding. And then this was how much shedding I got in the sink, which is not a lot of shedding to me either. And now it's time to do the install. For this install, I will be doing a middle part leave out. I have my hair out in the back, but I am going to put that in a low ponytail. So this is a V-part wig, so I made my parting space parted out into a V. Years ago, I brought this brand Zoe. It's a changeable curling wand, and I got it from Marshall's. I'm using the smallest one that come in the pack. I'm just taking my hair and wrapping it around the curling wand, and I leave it on for about 5 to 8 seconds. Also, my hair does need to be washed, but before I go ahead and get it washed and braided, I was like, let me just get this install out the way. So if you see a few flakes or whatever, please don't judge a sister. I'm getting it together.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately.
So before I put the wig on my head, I made sure the clips at the top was open, and then I slide it into the roots of my hair that I have into the ponytail and clip it. And I do the same thing for both sides. And after that, I'm going to lay my hair out on the top and try to blend my curls in with the wig curls.
Baby, it's you.
I noticed how my hair color and the wig hair color is two different colors. It's not completely different, but you can see a difference. So I'm still gonna try my best to make it work for this wig show and tell.
You could say whatever and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah.
All right, you guys, so right here is almost my end results because a few minutes later I go in and end up cutting it again. But you can keep it like this. The length started off as 18 inches. I would say now it's about 16 inches on me, 16 to 14 inches, and my height is 5'6". The density is 150%, so it's not too thick, not too thin. It's right in between. When I was styling this wig, I had no tangling at all. After I washed the wig, I don't have any product on it to make the curls appear more defined or anything. So this is what it looks like freshly washed. Also, when I received the wig, it didn't have any foul odor. When I washed the wig, I didn't see any running dye. As for shedding was very low in my opinion. I used to be a big fan of U-part wigs until my leave out had gotten broken off due to a lot of heat damage. But after this wig review, I wore this wig for about a week and a half. I got in so many compliments. It was pretty easy installing it and quick on the go. I only touched up the curls on my real hair twice within the week and a half of wearing this V-part wig. The wig is very secure with the clips and combs and is very lightweight on my head. I was taking the wig off through the week. As soon as I came home, I didn't have to worry about touching up the curls. Also, when I was wearing it for that week and a half, I noticed that the hair in the nape area was a little tangled. Not super tangled, just a little bit, but I wasn't too worried about it because I knew it was time for the wig to get another co-wash. But this wig is definitely a keeper for me. So this was the part I was talking about where I go in and cut some of the length off again, and this is my final look. I loved it way more after I cut some of the hair off. It just looks more fuller and the ends don't look so thin like it did before. I already know a couple of you are thinking, is this wig big head friendly? My head circumference is 22 inches and I do have a lot of stretch cap room left in here. So I believe this is big head friendly, but if you have a smaller head than 22 inches, then definitely check out other people reviews because I'm not sure. I was having so much fun with this curly look. Like, I'm not sure what it was giving. It was giving a lot to me. It was giving me a lot of good vibes. I love it. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching. And thanks again, UNiceHair, for sending me this wig for this wig show and tell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.